Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll teach you how to create multiple pages in WordPress. Let's get started. So in order to do that, you just need to log in on your WordPress account. As you can see, I have logged in so I can see the dashboard right now, as well as the homepage of the WordPress website that I have created. So you can click on this visit site right here in order to see what your site will look like. As you can see, my site have all of these things right here. So if I actually want to add or create multiple pages, I just need to head over to the dashboard. And then from in here, I should be able to scroll down until you can see this option for add a page. So click on this one. Once you have clicked on it, it will open this new tab right here that you can see. So it will take some time for this to load, but when it's loaded, you should be able to edit it out however you want. Now this is what it looks like. It will ask you what kind of page you want. You can add a blank page, you can add a featured page, gallery page, services page, anything that you want. So for example, I'll add a store page right here. So I can click on the store right here and I can actually choose a template that they have. So for example, let's choose this one. And once you have clicked on it, it will show like this. So you can head over and click on this publish button right here in order to publish this to your website. So you just need to repeat this one by one until you get the desired number of pages that you want for your web page. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below. I will try my best to answer. Thanks.